marshmallow pop.
Ho, ho, ho.
But first, we're gonna need a few things. Using marshmallows, green, white, and red chocolate melts, white chocolate chips, regular chocolate chips, red icing, green and yellow food coloring, and cookie stick. Okay, let's get cooking.
The first thing we're gonna do is take 3 marshmallows and put them on our stick.
I want to make sure you leave enough room for your hat.
We're gonna take our dark green chocolate melt and our white chocolate chip and add a drop of green food coloring to our white chocolate chips.
And then heat them up in the microwave and then mix them until smooth. I'm gonna take our green chocolate melts and drizzle it on.
Whoa, this smells so good.
Yeah. Once it's on, you're gonna take your spoon and smooth it out.
Whoa, it looks so like a Grinch.
If you want, you can add some light green to have highlights for fun.
Next, we're gonna set our Grinch's bodies to the side and make the Grinch's hats.
To make our Grinch's hat, we're going to take our scissors and cut it into the shape of our hat.
Cool.
We're going to take our Santa hat and we're going to dip it into our already warmed up chocolate melt.
Oh, that looks so good. Now that our hats are done, we're gonna set them to the side to dry. We're ready to add the finishing touches to bring our Grinch to life.
We added a little bit more marshmallow and now we're gonna pipe on our white chocolate chip.
We're gonna take some yellow chocolate and dab on the Grinch's eyes. Yummy! We're gonna take our chocolate and draw the Grinch's face. Oh yeah, babe, it's time to get Grinchified.
Looking so cute.
Yeah. It's time to add the Grinch's heart. Bum 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 bum.
We're gonna take our icing and draw a little heart.
These are so cute. Look at his cute little green eyes. And look at the cute little heart. Yeah, that's so cute.
Look at his little hat. Okay, now we're gonna try them and make sure you give this video a big thumbs up.
Ready? 3, 2, 1. These are really good.
Yeah. Really good.
I taste the mint. It's so good and it's so cute.
Oh guys, we give these Grinch treats a big thumbs up. Let us know in the comments below if you would make these treats.
Okay, bye-bye. Thanks for watching the show. Please subscribe to our channel. Bye-bye.
Full of spiders, you've got garlic in your soul, Mr. Grinch. I wouldn't touch you with a 39 and a half foot pole. You're a vile one.